Hey guys, what is up everyone? Today I want to show you a really quick video on how to install the LAMP stack on the newest version of Ubuntu Server 18.04. The first thing we want to do is update our system, so we run sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade tag y to make sure our system is up to date. After the update is done, we can go ahead and install Apache 2. So we do sudo apt-get install Apache 2 tag y. This should just take a couple of seconds to finish, and next we are going to install MySQL. You can either choose between MariaDB or MySQL. I'm gonna choose MySQL because I'm more familiar with it. So let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, that's done already, and we can start with MySQL. Let's clear the screen. To install MySQL, sudo apt-get install MySQL server and MySQL client tag y, so you don't need to confirm it again, and this will take about a minute to finish depending on your internet connection. After the installation is done, we are going to secure our MySQL installation by typing sudo mysql _secure installation, and to answer the question if you want to use the validate password plugin, we are going to answer it with yes. I recommend that you do it. You can specify a password policy here that you always need to choose a strong password. I recommend you to choose level 2, which equals strong, and always put a strong password on your MySQL database. For this demonstration I choose a weak password because I'm not gonna use this database anyway, and then you get the estimated strength of the password, and you can either choose yes or no to agree to use it. I'm gonna agree to that. I want to also remove anonymous users, so yes. I want to disallow root login remotely, yes, and I want to remove the test database, and finally reload privileged table. Confirm with yes, and everything is done. Now we're almost finished installing the LAMP stack. The next thing that is still missing is PHP. So to install PHP, we're going to run sudo apt-get install php 7.2 and lib apache 2 -mod or tech 7.2 and confirm with yes. This should also just take a couple of seconds to finish. The final thing we need to do after this installation of PHP is finished is to install something we need to use PHP in combination with MySQL, which you can do with sudo. I cleared it up first. Sudo apt-get php 7.2 tech MySQL. Getting confused with all those. PHP 7.2 MySQL, come on, there is something missing. Alright, we are going to install that. That's done. Clear the screen again, and finally we are going to sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. If you follow through all those very short steps, I hope it was not too fast, you have a fully functional LAMP stack and can continue from here. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, subscribe to the channel to get more awesome open source tutorials, and hit the like button if you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.